माजी एनसीसी कॅडेट्स असोसिएशन गोवान गोय बटालियन एनसीसी आणि गोय मनीस संसाधन विकास महामंडळा वांगडा 27व्या कारगिल विजय दिसाचो उगडास पणजेच्या आझाद मैदानार केलो। IAS अधिकारी संजीव गडकर, हेमा सरदेसाय आणि कारगिल झुजाच्या दिग्गजांनी शहीदांक फुलां ओपली। तशेंच देशभक्ती सांस्कृतिक सादरीकरणा वरवीं हुतात्म्यांक आर्गां ओपली। RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान दत्ता मुरगांवकर।
When we see action and we see our postmate, friend, soldiers getting injured, it is the human first and nothing else. That pushes us to save the lives. And that happens only when we focus on our deep training. Till date, after so many years of 27 years, even if I am told to draw the map of that place, I can't, because it has come out from that intense training what was given by Army Aviation. So young minds who are here, I would request them focus on the training and of course maintain the equipment. The helicopters which we were flying, they were older than me, but they were maintained in a very immaculate condition in which that man-machine interface comes in. We had pushed the helicopter to 26,400 feet, which is beyond the even design limit of that. It is only 19,000 feet. So that can be understood only when we understand the limitation of the machine with respect to your training and your own body limitation.
I've never said this before, but the war memorial that stands in Delhi, I was part of the 14-member jury. And I can tell you, with all humility possible, that I was a strong part of that jury. I also want to say that Mala Mohanji, who is the ex-architect, and she used to do architecture for our army and for a lot of great architecture in India. After my work for the war memorial, her words, her kind words were, Hema, you are God sent. Hema, you are the pride of India and Goa. And I salute her for her love. And all the great army people, I also worked there. I worked there with the person who kind of led the surgical strike, Lieutenant Colonel Satish Duwaji. And his words to me on my Facebook page was, "You are the best." I also had, some air marshals saying to me that you are really very powerful and you have no fear in you.
Today we have gathered to observe 27th Kargil Vijay Day. As we observe this day, we bow our heads in reverence to the brave soldiers of the Indian Armed Forces who defended our national nation during the Kargil War of 1999. This day is not just merely a commemoration of victory, but a solemn reminder of courage, sacrifice, and unwavering spirit of patriotism that safeguarded our sovereignty. We pay tribute to the indomitable spirits of our armed forces who secured victory in the Kargil War of 99. Kargil War was fought in the most challenging terrains under extreme conditions where our soldiers displayed unparalleled valor. It was fought under the harsh conditions on icy heights where survival itself was a challenge. And our soldiers with unmatched valor reclaim every inch of our motherland. Their bravery ensures that the tricolor continues to flutter proudly under the mountains of Kargil.
114 Armored Engineer Regiment, and we were again fortunate enough to be mobilized to the Rajasthan borders to fight the war and open a second front in case required. Again, like what Utpal sir brought out, the camaraderie, the brotherhood and the training is what the ethos the Indian Army and the defense has given us. I took my premature in 22 Before that, I was again a part of the Galwan operations, wherein we again fought the Chinese and came out victorious. This is a credit to the defense forces, the training that they have given me, and I thank Sri John for taking the trouble to invite us, honor us, and this service that you are doing to honor the martyrs is indeed commendable.